So you can see this one now. These are the luxury showers we have here now. This one is another one of kettle mouth. This one here is a piano for chrome. Here is a rose. Here is another one, another chrome. Nisa shower, hot and cold line. All this now hot and cold line. As you can see them, you know, they are hot and cold line. And this one again is a gray color piano shower. As you can see it here. Here is the control. You can see. This now is the rose. Here is another one. A big engine piano shower. So you can see the two of them there. Here is the big engine with a basket. Carries a basket here. Carries something like basket. And again here we have square shower. This one is the square shower. Have can twist like this, come like this. Here is the rose. We also have another anti-rose square shower, which is this one. This one is the black. This one is the anti-rose. You can see it here. So all these now are normal green showers we have as well. Normal green showers. You can see them. Normal green showers.